Today we're gonna start with our sound and blending. I'd like to check your sound and blending a little bit before we're going to discuss something else. So now is the list of the words that you can blend the sound and read for me.
I want to stand, stand,
Good job.
stand, 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 it, step, it, pick,
Good.
it, sit, it, tick, rat, cat,
Okay.
step, it, stick, stack, step, stack, and pen, and ten, set, pet, pet, net, net, pet, ants, X. Even I was learning the sound of her. The CH. Is this my turn?
Yeah.
Hey, that's mine.
It's not.
X. Next. Oh. Pet. X. Neck. X. Speck.
Yeah, there's two again. There's two again. I didn't hear the sound.
X. Net.
Next.
X.
Sound like X, like
Net.
yeah.
I said net.
Good.
Yeah, you did. Oh, X. Pex.
Good.
X. Neck.
Next.
Next.
This one.
X. Speck. X. Scent.
Good.
X. Tent.
Good.
X. Hiss.
No. It sound
Is the.
okay.
His the.
As
His.
Okay, again.
His. The. Hiss. You mean hiss?
His. It sound like his. It does sound. It sound like Z, okay? This one, same thing. Has, not have, but has.
Hit.
His.
It. Ah.
Okay.
It. Hit.
Okay.
Are you up to this one or that? I don't know. Pen.
Good.
Hip.
Good.
It. Hits. Hat.
Good.
You're supposed to put the S. Pens.
Hands. Good.
It. Hips.
Hips. Okay. Hips.
Hips.
This one. Good.
Rat.
Good.
Rip. Like you're ripping a piece of paper.
Okay, without, it's your turn now. You're gonna read 2 pages.
When. What are you doing? When. At. Rats.
Good.
It. Whips. Trip. Trap. Trips. Tracks. Strap. Here. Him. Here. Match. Match.
Don't forget the
Med.
sound. Okay. I know you can read it well, but I like to
Mm,
sound.
But Vidal, you had to blend it. That's what
Yeah.
I'm doing. That's at met. At met. At it mint. You mean peppermint?
This one again?
At nuts. Nuts.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Anthony.
You still have to repeat. It. Mince. 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 At. It. That. Red. Red. It. Red.
Good.
Mad. D. Dumb.
Damn. Good.
Damn. 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 That's
Damn.
the It's E. No, I said dams. That's not. It's dam.
Okay.
Dam. It. D. Mid. D. It. Dim. D. Den. D. It. Dip.
Good.
D. And. D. Dams.
Damn.
Dams.
Then. Good.
Dam. Dent.
Good.
Scent. Mend. And. Wait.
Good.
Hand.
Now choose
5 fingers on one hand.
3 words each. Vidal, you're gonna choose 3 words, and Anthony, you're gonna choose 3 words, and then you're gonna write a sentence, like
Okay.
sentence for 1 word.
3 words.